5 Useless human body parts. We should not always assume that every human development has an adaptive explanation. Because of the complexity of evolution, the human body still sustains a few remnants of our ancient lives. Here are some useless human body parts that serve very little or no purpose in our survival. Number 5. Appendix. When primitive humans were largely food gatherers, vegetarians, the appendix helped in the digestion of food. Located in a pouch-like structure between large and the small intestine, the appendix basically assisted the latter in digesting cellulose and possibly also produced white blood cells. Though lying dormant, the appendix can cause a host of problems, like it can get infected, causing appendicitis and inflammation of the appendix. It causes abdominal pain, decreased appetite, nausea, etc., but most of the time people don't have the symptoms. Number 4. Coccyx. Otherwise called the tailbone, it's believed to the remnant of our prehistoric ancestors' body part. Also found in apes, the coccyx is the final hanging segment of our vertebral column. It is comprised of 3 to 5 rudimentary vertebrae. So why exactly did we need a tail in ancient time? Scientists believe that the tail helped in communicating and balancing our structure, but since we humans learned to walk upright, the tail slowly ceased to exist, leaving only a speck of reminder hanging useless. But despite the removal of the tailbone is quite a task, since it's attached to a number of intricate ligaments, muscles, and tendons. Number 3. Paranasal sinuses. Human sinuses are basically air-filled spaces found surrounding the nasal cavity in our face. What is the purpose of their existence now is subjected to much debate, but when infected, our sinuses causes much pain. Previously, the paranasal sinuses were responsible for our heightened sense of smell that allowed our ancestors to hunt on daily basis and survive. However, some believe paranasal sinuses serves a few possible functions, like increase resonance of our voice, regulate pressure, lighten the weight in the front of our skull, etc. Inflammation of the sinuses causes nasal irrigation and can even lead to cancer. Number 2. Tonsils. Other than the mass of tissues situated at either side at the back of the human throat, there are a number of other tonsils, like the adenoid tonsil, 2 palatine tonsils, the lingual tonsil, and 2 tubal tonsils. Tonsils help in protecting the throat from inhaling foreign pathogens and against indigestion, but most of the time they prove to be more dangerous than beneficial. Tonsils are very much prone to infections that may lead to a host of problems and may require surgical removal sometimes. Number 1. Wisdom tooth. Also called the third molar, it's developed between the ages of 17 and 25. According to researchers, the out-of-place wisdom tooth was useful to our ancestors for grinding down on plant tissues. But today our skulls have become smaller and the number of teeth has gone down because they are no longer required. The change of the diet still couldn't get rid of the third molar or wisdom teeth completely. It's a painful procedure to remove an infected wisdom tooth. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.